elders walk in whispers, ancient tales and spirits talk, nurturing hearts with wisdom soft and deep, guardians of the earth, in shadows they keep. Around the sacred fire the circle's tight, songs of moon and rivers under starlit night, holding firm the hands through storm and peace, promising a future where troubles cease. Mothers of nature, hear their call, guiding the children, one and all. Roots in the earth, eyes to the sky, with every breath they heed the cry. In harmony with winds their souls do dance, with footsteps light, tracing ancient chants. From forest depth to mountain's height, they weave the threads of day and night. Communal bonds like rivers strong flow together where they belong, sowing seeds of love in every land, building future with gentle hands. Mothers of nature, hear their call, guiding the children, one and all. Roots in the earth, eyes to the sky, with every breath they